Hey you all beauties, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be showing you my ultimate quick and easy college makeup routine. This makeup look will make you look flawless and you will conquer the day without any effort in like quick few minutes. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and now let's dive into the video. So for the first step, we'll be starting with the moisturized skin, and for that we'll be using a gel moisturizer. I'll be using the Plum Rice Water and Niacinamide 2% Clear Moisture Gel Cream. Now the reason I'm using this moisturizer is because it is not going to be very heavy on my skin. And again, the later on steps you'll notice that I'm using products that are more hydrating. So I just don't want it to be a very sweaty looking makeup look. So that is the reason I'm starting with a gel cream which will hold all of my makeup in one place. Make sure whenever you apply moisturizer, you apply it on your neck as well. Now coming to the next step. One more thing to note that I'm not using a sunscreen right now. That is the reason I'm using a tinted sunscreen so that I don't have to use any BB cream or foundation for this look. And I'll be using the Quench Bravocado Daily Defense Tinted Sunscreen SPF 50 PA+++ in medium. This gives you sun protection and gives you beautiful toned skin as well. So I like to make these dots on my face and then I use a beauty sponge to blend it all over my face. The only reason I'm using a sponge is because it evenly spreads it out and doesn't make it look really cakey. So that's how it looks. You could also use a concealer or foundation, totally depends on you. But I think for college makeup, it's always best to keep it really minimal. That's how I loved it. Next step is going to be my eyes. I'll be using a kajal. You could use a eyeliner as well, whatever that makes you comfortable for your eyes. I love to use a kajal on a daily basis, so I'll be using that. And for that, I'm using the Plum Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal. This is the Black Brilliance shade. So basically what kajal does is it gives you a nice cooling sensation in your eyes, keeps you fresh all day, and also it makes your eyes look a little smaller. So that is the whole reason I love using kajal and not an eyeliner. Now the next step is to apply a blush, and for that I'll be using a cream blush because my skin is very dry. So I mostly love to use a cream blush and then I dab a little compact powder to set it all in a place. So first let's do our cheek, and for that I'm using the Plum Touch and Go lip and cheek tint in the shade 123 Mauve Along. So you can see it makes a hell lot of difference. It's like very subtle. It's given a perfect lift to my cheeks and a perfect definition to my face. Now that we are done, I told you we'll be setting all of this in place to stay all day, because going to college is we go in the day and we come back in the evening, so it has to stay, right? And for that I'm using the compact powder. So I'm using the Sugar Dream Cover SPF 15 Mattifying Compact, and I like to use it with a brush. So I'll take a little bit of product. And that's it. Now the very last step to my makeup look is obviously a lipstick, and for that I'll be using the Sugar Nothing Else Matter Longwear lipstick in the shade 22 Bear Hug. It's a nice and beautiful peachy nude shade. Now it might look really dark on my skin, but if you're a medium to dusky skin type person, then this will look really very beautiful and nice nude shade for everyday use. So as you can see, my makeup look is done. It was really easy and quick, and they were like really minimal products, and I'll be linking all of these products in my description, so you can click the link and purchase them. I'll also leave any codes that I have for a discount, so you can use them as well. So that's it for today. If you're loving these kinds of makeup routines and college type of content, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends who would love to learn this easy and quick makeup for your college. And we will be meeting in my next video. Bye guys.